Hey lovelies, it's Unwanted Boss Society, and today we're on part 22. You know, it's come along a long time. I've been doing this a long time, so we're on the Be Your Own Resource series still. And so the guide to taking top YouTube courses I recommend. Sorry if you hear the laundry in the background, that's just part of life. Also, I wanted to mention that a way I've got some of my frizz to finally come down is using this Caviar Anti-Aging Omega Dry Oil Mist from Alterna. It smells amazing and it really helps my hair shine. I put a lot on today because when you change clothes a lot, you really get frizz, so it helps a lot. So, the top courses I recommend is number 1, my 100K loyalty course. And what's in it? I teach growth hacks, how I got to 100K subscribers, and how to start from absolute scratch. I obviously teach that on this course as well, but I go even more in depth, and you guys get like a physical copy, of the whole course that you can have forever. And as I update it, you guys get the updates, and as things change as well. So there's also a free YouTube Academy courses where there's beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses on YouTube where you get actual certificates. And you know, that's a great way for you to learn the ins and outs. You can also watch the creator YouTube channel where YouTube creators will tell you everything you need to know, what's changing, what's new, and just to keep you up to date on how to be a YouTuber and how to follow the guidelines that YouTube sets. So the next one we have is Skillshare. So you can oh yeah, there we go, Skillshare. There's a course from Sarah Dietschy called How to Film, Vlog, and Edit, How to Be a Vlogger. And then there is a course from Katie Steckley called Becoming a YouTuber and How to Grow on YouTube. Then there's a course from Jessica Stanberry called the YouTube Starter Toolkit, and it's a guide from starting from scratch. And then there is a course from Think Media, which is the ultimate YouTube starter kit, and it comes with some digital assets. So those are the courses I recommend because I really trust those creators, and they've really helped guide me. And also just we've been kind of growing at the same time. And also I guess you could say if YouTube had coworkers, we would be coworkers because we are all in it for the same reason. We all are teaching YouTube education, and we all want to help people with their business and their YouTube channels. So we're growing together and working together to help YouTubers to grow and to help new people join YouTube and feel comfortable and feel like they actually have a chance of making this into a career. So I hope you guys got some information there. Hope you guys take these courses, and if you guys take my course, you will get the physical copies of every single one of these folders that I have. So I've got everything like this in folders, and you'll be able to do what you want with them, whether you want to print them out and put them in folders, or whether you want to print them out, make yourself a little binder of information that you can look back on. Whatever you guys want to do, I have that on my Notion template as well as on my YouTube Masterclass. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll talk to you soon.